If you are from Ghana, I'm gonna teach you how to make money online. Even as a student, I'm gonna teach you. All you have to do is to stick around to the end of this video. I'm gonna reveal all the secrets you need to know on how to make money online from Ghana. Okay, let's go. Now, once you click on the first link in this video, it's gonna take you to this interface. You can see right here. Here it says put in your name. You can put in Steven. Your last name, you can put in Samuel. Your username, you can put in Steven Samuel. You feel me? Your email address, you can put in your email address, put in your phone number right here. You understand? You put in your phone, then you click on continue. Yeah, select your country, which is Ghana. Password, you can put in your password. Confirm password, you put in the same password. Now, here where it says coupon code, this is where you have to purchase the code based on the package you want to go for, either the silver package or the pro package. If you want to go for the pro package, you're going to have to pay the sum of $8.5, but if you want to go for the silver package, you pay only $6. You understand? So once you at the gate, if you want to purchase the code, you understand? Now I want you to chart the number. I can see on your screen right now. Once you chart the number, it's going to take you straight how you can buy your code. You understand? You're going to pay the vendor the money, then he'll give you a code that you can use to activate your account. Or if you're confused, you just give me, you send the money, then you send your information, your name, your email, and your phone number, so we can register you. Understand? And we'll also teach you how you can use Anchor to make way more money for yourself. Now, once you're done, you just click on here where it says sign up. Now, this is just a brief explanation of how the registration process works. So I'm going to sign in on one of my smallest accounts so you can see how the interface of Anchor looks like. Now this is one of my accounts. You can see how it looks like. You can see it says 150 all time. That means money I've made from this account alone is $150 all time, and this is just one of my smallest accounts. I can see the ACH cash, it says $58. Now let's start from here where it says the Anchor games. Now this is how the Anchor games work. So once you click on it, you click on claim reward, it's going to take you to somewhere, either to follow their page or to subscribe to a YouTube channel or to watch a video. Now it's taking me to Telegram, either to join their Telegram group. You can see here it says join. I'm going to click on join. Once I click on join, I just go back. All you do, you go back, then you refresh your page. Once you refresh your page, they are going to add your money for you based on the coupon, the level you registered at. If you register for the silver package, they're going to be paying you $1.2. If you register for the pro package, they're going to be paying you $1.5. You understand? So this is how this thing works. It's very easy. I can see you have a lot of features. It has the flappy games, it has the shooter game, it has the board game, it has the card game, it has the number game. You can see all these things for yourself. Now here's another interesting part. Here where it says TikTok Pay, I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, you can see what it opens. It says TikTok handle. So here I'll just put in a random TikTok handle. Here where it's the TikTok link, I'm going to put in my TikTok link. Yeah, your full name on TikTok. You put in your full name on TikTok, then you click on submit. Once you're done, there are different ways you can make money on this platform. Okay, these few things I just show you is just the tip of an iceberg. You can see here where it says TikTok Pay. They're gonna pay you for the TikTok Pay you earn. They're gonna pay you for any hikes. I'm gonna teach you this. Total referral on this account just 15. And today's real 0 spillovers. I'm going to teach you spillovers, 2 spillovers, 1. I'm going to teach you all these things, the sales commission and the ACH cash. I'm going to teach you how these things works once you register. Okay, now if you want to register and you need step-by-step guide, and I know you'll be confused, you need step-by-step guide on how to register. Now this is what you want to do. You want to chart the number you can see on your screen right now. Once you chart this number is going to teach you exactly how you can start. You understand, from step by step, from start to finish. Now if you are from Ghana, especially my Ghanaian friends, if you are from Ghana, okay, now if you want to chart this number, make sure you add +234, because that is Nigeria's country code, because the number you'll be chatting is a Nigerian number, because I'm a Nigerian, you understand. But I know how Ghanaians can make use of this website and make the most amount of money for themselves. Now all you have to do is to chat the number. Okay, now if you like the way I just gave you some kind of tips about Anchor, I just want you to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I upload good videos, you're gonna be the first to watch, first to implement, and first to get value. You understand? See you guys. Peace.